Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys are wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about some stocks that are on fire today. These stocks are risky, so please know the risk before investing. So the first stock is called RIOT Blockchain. This is a Bitcoin mining company. Ticker symbol RIOT. It was up 16%, but it closed on 15%. So currently looking in the after hours, nearly up 4.6% in the after hours because Bitcoin is surging to new highs. This particular Bitcoin mining company, they went up high because they mined almost 500 Bitcoins in the first quarter. That is really good compared to Mara. They only did 196, so that's why this is doing better than Mara. So yeah, so that does not mean that you go into this without a plan. So let's go through this. So how would I invest in this one? So I wouldn't go straight in right now because it's currently high. Wait for this a 5% dip, at least a 5% dip, then invest in this company. Then every time it drops 5%, keep adding money, and then when you're up 20 to 100%, put a 5% stop loss to protect your profits. Then you just rinse and repeat. It's really volatile stock because we know it's tied to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is really volatile. So the next stock is Tesla. Ticker symbol TSLA. It's currently up nearly 9% on a day. It's a bit down after hours, but look at this, 8% in one day for Tesla is really good. Not like any other electrical vehicle company, they just focus on the production of units. They focus on the broader market of electrical vehicles. So that's why I think this is a really good, solid buy. So based on 27 analysts, they have an average price of $701.17. That is 8% downside from its current price. They have a high of $1,200 and a low of $135. They have 11 buys, 9 holds, and 7 sells. Remember, do not invest based on these analysts. We need to know that this is one of the most shortest stocks in the stock market. So there's only one reason they say this is because this is too expensive. But they said this at $6 a share, and where it go? It went straight up. So let's just not pay attention to what these analysts say. So look at the Q1 2020 deliveries. They have a total of 800,000 in deliveries. That is really good for just one quarter. If we compare to Volkswagen, which is another famous car maker, so they only did 90,000 units delivered. So Tesla delivered more than Volkswagen in Q1. That is good news. So we're just going to talk about Tesla price predictions from Mark Invest. So for 2025, their expected value from them is $3,000 per share, but their 2025 premium is $1,500 per share. But then the bull case, which is the maximum, is $4,000 per share. That is really good news from Mark Invest. So to me, that is good news. So I got you guys into Tesla when it was around $600, but if you guys are new, I'll teach you how to get into this now. So in the past week it's up 11%, so what we're going to do is going to average down on 2 strike prices. Let's say $8,000. Tomorrow we're going to put our first 500 on the stock, no matter the price. Then if this drops to $750, we're going to put our next 500 on this. Then we just wait it out, don't buy anymore. But if you guys want to average down further, feel free to. So then right after this, we're going to ride this back up to its highs. The next stock on the list is a big one. So this is Apple. So it took a symbol AAPL. We're up nearly 2.5% on the day. On the week, it's up nearly 7%. But on the year, they're still up 87%. So the reason I bring up this stock is because they have the event on April 20, which will launch their new products. I'm pretty sure they're releasing 2 new models of the iPads. So tons of people are using the new products, such as the new iPhone. We've seen their Q4 sales, they exceeded their Q4 29 sales. I do think this is a safe stock to hold for the long term because we know everyone is going to keep buying their products. So in my own opinion, I do think people prefer Apple products over Samsung products in terms of mobile phones. So feel free to comment below if you think I'm wrong. So now we're going to look at some price charts from 25 analysts. So based on 25 analysts, they have an average price of $154.35. That is a nearly 15% upside. So they have a high of $175, a low of $83. So that's really good to me. They have 20 buys, 4 holds, and 1 sells. What this means to me is that these analysts think this is a buy right now. So basically, if you believe in this company, then invest in this company. Let's talk about how I would invest in this company. So for this one, I would average down. I would buy how much I can afford, and no matter price. Tomorrow I put my whole $1,000, no matter the price, because we believe this long term. So this is a value, so that's growth stock. So basically it doesn't matter what price you get it at, it's going to go down very little and up very little. So it's not like those small cap growth stocks that go up 20% in one day. So basically, if you need a safe stock in your portfolio, this is a really good option. I do think everyone's going to buy their products and their profits going to continue to increase. Basically, that's my opinion on this whole stock. So that was the end of the video. These are the stocks that are on fire today. I do think these are going to continue going up in the long term. Feel free to like this video. Some of these guys are large ones, some more can learn about investing in finance. So that's it for me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys next one. Happy investing.